Hi guys, Steph here. Right, here we have a lovely pen from a recent pen haul. There you go, does what it says on the tin. It's a Sheaffer fountain pen. Now, just regarding the case here, some of you people will see these cases with just, as it is here, with just brown straight across. But in this particular case, you can see this sort of gold coloured piece here, which on these Sheaffer pens indicates that it's one of the top of the range pens. So the higher end pens had this gold sort of strip, if you like, on the case there. So let's open it up. Look at that. What a gorgeous fountain pen and pencil set. So let's take the pen out first of all. Let's take out the pencil. Close the case, pop that to one side. And what we've got for you here, as it says on the description, we've got a gorgeous Sheaffer Imperial Sovereign fountain pen and a pencil as well. So let's go and have a look at the pencil first of all. There you go. And what we do by simply turning, there you go, you can see the lead goes in and out of the pencil. We've got the very recognisable Sheaffer clip with the white dot there. If we show you the sort of band there, I think it says Sheaffer made in USA. Okay, and as you can see, it comes in this lovely sort of diamond, well, they termed it as a cut diamond pattern. Absolutely gorgeous. Both of these in absolutely superb condition. No dings, no inscriptions, nothing. Both in full working order, in superb condition. Here's the fountain pen. Okay, so what we've got, as I said, is the Sheaffer Imperial Sovereign in a beautiful gold-filled cut diamond pattern. And they're actually very nice, these. Depending on the angle, actually, you look at them, they've got this sort of, the pattern sort of stands out. Very nice indeed. The size of the fountain pen capped is 132 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's approximately 11.5 millimeters in diameter. Once again, we've got the sort of the crown there for Sheaffer, and if we turn it round, it says Sheaffer USA. Okay, and there we go. 14, does it say 14 karat gold filled? But very, very nice indeed. As I say, the very recognisable Sheaffer clip with the white dot. We've got this little sort of area to the top which complements the bottom of the barrel there, sort of slightly blank, if you like, in very, very nice condition. This particular model I'm dating from the 1970s, and the Imperial Sovereign was one of the top of the range imperial pens of the period. So it's one of the top of the range pens from Sheaffer from the 1970s. It's got a slip cap, which if we remove, you can see there. Let's show you different angles. Absolutely stunning pen. What we'll do, we'll try and find a new home for it. It's in beautiful condition. Everything's been cleaned internally. And when I say internally, if we unscrew the barrel, you can see it's got the original, what we term as a button filled sort of aerometric type filler. It's got the instructions on it there. Okay, so it tells you how to fill it. So we've got a converter, the original converter. It also will accept the Sheaffer cartridges as well. So let's pop that back on. If we take up to this section, the very recognizable section and this gorgeous Sheaffer inlaid nib, which reads Sheaffer. To the left, to the top, it's got 14 carat, and then to the bottom of the diamond shape, you'll see it says USA. So as we've said, this particular pen was made in the USA, and as we've mentioned, circa 1970s. There's the feed underneath, and I don't know if you can actually see, but it's got a lovely piece of tipping material to the very end of the nib there. But as I say, excuse me, everything has been internally cleaned, so I'm not going to fill the pen. I'm going to leave that pleasure to the new owner, because as I said, I've actually cleaned the converter inside, so it's lovely and clean. So the new owner then can decide whether they actually display the pen or whether they actually use the pen with their favourite ink. But what we'll do, I've got my ink to my right here. Let me dip it in the ink, and what we'll do a dip test. So what we've got is a Sheaffer. As we said, this is the Imperial, and it's the how do we spell it? Is it? There we go. Sovereign from the 1970s. Made in USA. Writing very nicely indeed. There's no flex to the nib. As you can see, it's writing with a fine line. Okay, so there's a writing sample. Okay, that's just simply been dipped, as we've said, but it's in full working order. Let me just reach over for some tissue. Let's give it a wipe. What we'll do, we'll clean that nib after the video, ready for a new owner. Actually, what I've not actually shown you as well, because I know you people like to see it, but if we turn, let's expel a little bit of lead on it. So as you can see, the pencil is also in full working order. So both fountain pen and pencil in full working order. So there we have it. The top of the range Sheaffer Imperial Sovereign cartridge converter from around about the 1970s in absolutely gorgeous condition. And what we'll do, we'll try and find a nice home for this set. I'm sure there's people in there that, or people should I say out there, that love these pens as much as I do. So don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy, give the video a thumbs up if you will. Don't forget to subscribe as well to my videos. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this gorgeous set. I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.